shade here, here, and all this star area. So now it looks like this. Now we're going to shade in the actual moon phases. Once you identify the moon phases and shade it in, you're going to flip this paper over and cut at the dotted lines. That's 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece, and then 4 pieces. It looks like this, cut out. So that's 4 pieces, and then now you're going to cut out this piece as well, even though it does not have dotted lines. You're going to cut the circular pattern out. So once you cut it out, you're going to turn this over and poke a hole in here in the center. Turn it over and poke a hole in the center here. Poke 2 holes, one in the center and one above the center. So that's 4 holes to poke using a pencil, just like that. One hole, 2 hole, 3 and 4th holes. Now it says tape moonset panel here. Use Scotch tape to tape it here. Use this one here to tape it on this side. Once you tape it, it looks like this. Now you can put, this is going to be at the bottom there. This is going to be the middle where the holes are aligned. And we're going to take this one here and we're going to align all 3 papers with a hole in the middle. So we're going to take a scrap paper and kind of cut it into a rectangular shape and then roll it up so it could go through this middle piece of your project or your moon calendar. So it looks like something like this now, and then push it through. So now it looks like a calendar dial. And you can move all 3 pieces. It's actually March 23rd of 2024. And you can find out that's waning gibbous, and it's going to occur around 3 a.m. it says to 3 p.m. So before we are finished with this, it looks like it's going to be loose, and I don't want the papers to come out the other end. So what we're going to do is, with a scissor, you're going to cut 3 slices down, 1, 2, and 3 at each side, and then it's kind of hard for me to do with one hand. You can do something like this, and that way it'll stay right together. All right, so I pushed it through. I'm gonna use my other hand here, like something like this. So it looks like a propeller. Okay. Now it's kind of, it'll stay together. All right. Now I'm going to do is, this stem is pretty long. I'm going to cut the stem. All right, and then do the same thing what I did on the other side, which is to cut 1, 2, and 3, and that way this bottom part will stay together as well. So let's see if I can cut about here, and then 1, 2, and 3 on the other side. That looks like a better look. There you go. Looks better like that. Okay. Again, so it can stay together. So there you goes your moon project.